In a desperate attempt to challenge a massive €2.6 billion, $2.42 billion, antitrust fine imposed by the European Union, Google, a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated, filed an appeal at Europe's highest court yesterday. The fine was primarily based on allegations of market abuse. The technology giant appeared before the Court of Justice of the European Union in Luxembourg on Tuesday, as part of its final effort to overturn the significant penalty. The fine was the result of an investigation by the European Commission, which found that Google had abused its dominant position in the online advertising market. Google was accused of manipulating search results in order to promote its own online shopping services, thereby stifling competition with rival companies. The European Commission, the EU's executive arm, had imposed the fine in June 2017, marking the largest antitrust penalty ever given by the EU. The hefty fine was intended to send a strong message and deter other major tech companies from engaging in similar anti-competitive practices. Google's legal team argued before the court that the penalty was unjustified and disproportionate, and that the company had worked diligently to comply with EU competition laws. They pointed out that Google had made significant changes to its advertising policies to address the concerns raised by the European Commission. Additionally, Google contended that the EU had failed to consider its efforts to improve competition within the online shopping market. The court's ruling, which is expected to be announced in the coming months, will be closely watched by tech companies across Europe and beyond. If the court upholds the fine, it could have far-reaching implications for Google's business operations in the EU and set a precedent for future antitrust cases. While the outcome remains uncertain, both sides will be eager to secure a favorable decision. This latest legal battle is just one of several ongoing disputes between Google and the European Union, which has been taking a tough stance against tech giants for alleged antitrust violations. In addition to the aforementioned fine for market abuse, Google has faced other penalties for antitrust violations related to abuses of its Android mobile operating system and its Adsense advertising service. The outcome of this high-stakes appeal will undoubtedly shape the future of competition in the technology sector and may lead to significant changes in the relationship between major players in the industry and regulatory bodies.